Hey everyone, this is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida real estate agent. I've been in this community before, but I have not shown you this model home. This model home is called the Cypress, and it's a one-story, pretty basic, but very nice. Let me give you a personal tour. I hope you like that home. As always, please, if you could like and subscribe, let me know that you are enjoying and appreciating this content and that it's helping you. Let me know any comments down below what you think about this particular floor plan. And if you have any questions or would like to reach out and speak further about how I can be a resource to you here in the Central Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. My information is down below. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you are finding value and that this is helping your decision making become that much easier. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.